Hi, welcome back. How are you? You have followed this 15 days VFX learning series. You have already learned many important things about visual effects. In this series, we covered the complete basics of VFX creation step by step. In this series, we covered the complete basic of VFX creations. You learn how to start with an idea, how to record a scene, how to create 3D objects, how to animate them, and how to add cinematic effects like particles, lighting, and impact effects. We also talked about how to create VFX shorts and long cinematic videos, how to plan a scene, and how to make your videos more exciting and engaging. If you have practiced all the lessons from these videos, you now understand the basic workflow of VFX production. But learning VFX does not stop here. To become a great VFX creator, you should continue learning from experienced artists and creators who share their knowledge online. Let me tell you about some well known VFX creators who have inspired many people around the world. One of the most famous VFX creators is Andrew Kramer. He created many tutorials that help thousands of beginners learn motions, graphics, and visual effects. Another popular creator is Sam Gorsky. He is part of the YouTube channel Korean Digital, which creative VFX videos and experiments. And his partner Nico Koringa also explain how VFX in movies and created and how different visual effects work. A very creative VFX artist using Blender is Anne Halbert. He is famous for showing fast and practical ways to create amazing visual effects. These creators show that VFX is not only about software but a very creative VFX artist using Blender is Zan Halbert. He is famous for showing fast and practical ways to create amazing visual effects. These creators show that VFX is not only about software, it is also about creativity, imagination, and storytelling. If you want to become a successful VFX creator, remember these important points. Keep learning new techniques, practice regularly, watch tutorials carefully, try to create your own ideas and experiments. Most importantly, stay consistent and keep improving. If you continue practicing and experimenting, you will gradually become better too. Creating VFX shorts, cinematic videos, and creative visual effects content. Thank you for watching and learning from this series. I hope this journey helps you start your own path as a VFX creator. Let me explain that VFX really is. VFX stands for visual effects. These are special techniques used to create scenes that are difficult, dangerous, or even impossible to shoot in real life. Using VFX, creators can add the things like magical effects, explosion, flying objects, fantasy environment, or cinematic transformation into their videos. And simple words, VFX is a combination of creativity, technology, and storytelling. When you watch movies, YouTube videos, or even advertisement, many of them amazing scenes you see are actually created using VFX. For example, when a statue break open, when a portal appear in the air, or when an object falls and hits something with a powerful impact. These effects are usually created using computer graphics and visual effects software. The process of creating VFX usually involves several steps. First comes the idea or concept. every VFX video start creative ideas. For example, a ball hitting a statue and unlocking it with the magical effects. One is the best way to learn any creative skill. When you continue learning step by step, watching tutorial and practicing regularly, your skill will gradually improve. Over time, you will start understanding how to create your own ideas and your own VFX scenes. Many professional VFX artists today started exactly the same way, by watching tutorials, practicing daily, and experimenting with their own creative ideas. So, if you want to become an expert in creative VFX content, remember these three things. First, keep watching and learning from tutorials and examples. Second, practice regularly and experiment with your own ideas. Third, stay patient and consistent because mastering VFX takes time. If you follow this approach and keep improve step by step, you will definitely become skilled at creating VFX shots, cinematic videos, and creative visual effects content. So I encourage all of you to explore the previous videos on this channel, learn from them carefully, and continue practicing. Keep watching, keep learning, and keep creating amazing. Enjoy this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps this channel grow and motivates me to create more VFX tutorials for you. So, guys, thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.